Hi guys, Anna Peroni here. Today I want to teach you really quick how to use the microblading app for constant forms. The app logo looks like this. And there's the website, microbladingapp.com. I am going to, first of all, before I even teach you how to use the app or download the app or anything like that, I want to show you our customer service, which is pretty much almost 24/7. So for you to find more tutorials and to talk to customer service for microblading app, you can go to your internet, right, where you visit Google and stuff like that. And I'm using an iPad, so here it's Safari, but you can use Google Chrome or whatever you use to go into the internet and type names of websites over there. So you can go to help.microblading. Mine is already here. So help.microbladingapp.com. And when you click on go, you can see here on this tab over here. Oops. Okay, so you have how to. So you have articles. So here, how to use the app. Part 1, you can read and you can see screenshots and everything. Or you can always go to our main page too, which is microbladingapp.com. Right here, when you start scrolling here, you see there's a little chat. Put it over here. There's a little chat window here. Welcome, questions, tap on our logo. So when you tap on our logo, immediately you're going to be talking to a little chat bot. So he's going to ask you, to pick a choice here. So tap to continue. And if anytime you want to talk to a live person, whatever you're trying to do with the app is not working, something's just, you really need help, you can always click over here, talk with agent, and then you will get a live agent that will connect with you soon and chat with you soon. Okay, so this is how you get help to talk to us with microblading apps. Next video, I'm going to show you how to find the app and how to download it. Okay.